Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to use RTC real-time clock with STM32 microcontroller. So let us get started step by step. This is STM32Cube IDE. I will create here new project. Go to File and New and click on STM32 project. Go to board and type here Nucleo F411. Select this and next type here project name RTC with STM32. Okay, next and finish. Click on yes. Okay, so first of all go to pin out and clear pin outs. Okay, yes, and now go to clock configuration. I will set here 16 megahertz. You can set as per your requirement, but here I am using 16 megahertz. Okay, and go to pin outs and configuration and go to timers. Here select RTC and enable the activate clock source and activate calendar. Okay, right now I am not going to use alarm. I will create another video on alarm. Okay, so remaining settings are okay. Only need to change here binary data format. Okay, now all settings are correct. I am going to use UART2 because of we want to print on serial monitor. Okay, so just enable as asynchronous and baud rate is okay. Okay, you have to connect TTL to USB converter on PA2 and PA3 pin. Okay, so time and date will be printed on serial terminal. Now click on save and yes. Now code will be generating. Okay, now I will remove these unnecessary line. Okay, so first of all I will declare a variable. It will be date and time, and its type will be RTC underscore data type def, RTC underscore date type underscore def. Okay, it will be RTC underscore time type def. Okay, this is structure. You can go there and you can see its member hours, minute, second and subsecond and fractional second. This is a structure. Okay, it will be small date. Okay, yeah, month, week, date and year. Okay, now I will declare a buffer. It will be char type, char time, size 10, again char date and size 10. Okay, now I will put here a printf RTC with STM32. Okay. Now I will call the function HAL RTC get time. HAL RTC get time. Okay. And here I will pass RTC handler, address of RTC handler. Okay. And now okay. And now address of time. Okay. And RTC format bin, this is macro. Okay, this is, there is two option, binary option and BCD option. Okay, it is done. We can go to HAL RTC get time. You can see its description, gets RTC current time. Okay, now I will call HAL RTC get date. HAL RTC get date. Okay, now pass here timer RTC handler and address of date. Okay, and RTC format bin. Okay, so time will be assigned into time structure and date will be assigned into date structure. I will print here date. So printf, I will print here date dot date. Okay, date dot month. Okay, date dot years. Okay, 2000 plus date will be %0 to D. Okay, again %0 to D, %2D. Okay, now I will print here time. Printf time dot hours time dot second, sorry, minute, time dot second. Okay, %0 to D colon %0 to D colon %0 to D. Okay, and I will put here delay, HAL delay 500 millisecond. Okay, now code is ready. I will define one function to print the printf. Okay, so here I will write a function int underscore underscore io underscore put char. Okay, and pass here int ch. Okay, and I will transmit here a character using UART2. Okay, HAL UART2 transmit address of UART handler and address of character typecast into event. Okay, one size and hall max delay. Okay, it is correct. Now return ch. Okay, so code is ready. Now I will build this code. Let me check any error. Okay, 5 errors are there. Okay, I think now it is correct. Again build this code. Okay, there is typo. Now build the code. Okay, there is 0 errors and 2 warnings, so we can avoid the warning. Now click on upload. Okay, select here debugger, ST-Link, scan. Debugger is connected, so this number will be reflected. Okay, apply and okay. Okay, code has been uploaded successfully. Now I'll open doclight. Select here COM port. It is ST-Link microcontroller virtual COM port 11 and baud rate is correct. Okay, and start the communication. I will press reset button. Yeah, RTC with STM32, but it is not printing the time and date. Why? Let me check once. I will use here new line. Again build the program. Okay, here use has include stdio.h. Okay, now build the program. Okay, upload. Okay, I think it will be printed. See, this is the time. I will just set the time in code. Go to RTC init and here set the time hours. Right now this is 23 and minutes is 24 second 00 and today is Sunday. Okay, so copy and paste here and month it is September. Okay, and date, today date is 29th and year is 24th. Okay, again build the code and run. Okay, open this docklet. You can see this is the time. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.